Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm glad you're here. You're going to see a little bit of glare. I really wanted to paint on a black canvas today, and I just can't figure out what to do with my lights so that you don't see this glare. And eventually it will go away once I lay my colors down. So I apologize for that. Plus I have the overhead light behind me on right now. You can kind of see it across the top there. I will turn that off shortly. So welcome, guys. My base coat is already down. It is a mix of Artist Loft Black, and I know it's hard to see, but I also have some of the Modern Masters Metallic in the, oh my goodness, I should know this paint by heart, in Venetian blue. Now, if you can't see that, I will post, of course, all of the paints in the description box. Just tap on the title and it'll bring up all your good information. Base coat is already down. It's a black with a little bit of a blue sparkly shimmer in it. This cup right here is just more of our base coat to use an eraser or to put down to help me move my paints around. This is yummy right here. This is DecoArt Metallics, and this is the Champagne Gold. Big old tub of this. Now, this took a bit of water to get it to the consistency I wanted because it is a heavier body paint. Let's talk about our pouring medium today. I am going to be using Sweet Marcy from Mixed Media Girls split cup. And I need my paints a little bit thicker, and a lot of my paints are fluid paints. So today's pouring medium is Floetrol, Liquitex pouring medium, and Liquitex gloss medium. I'm going to post pictures of those products at the end of the video so you can see that there is a difference between the Liquitex pouring medium and the Liquitex gloss medium. And why I chose to use that: number one, it leaves a beautiful sheen behind when your paint's dry. Thank you, Massey Boys, and Sweet Mina for turning me on to that, because I thought that they were the same product. So it leaves a wonderful sheen behind, as well as it's a thicker pouring medium. It's thicker than the Liquitex, and it's thicker than the Floetrol. So it helped me to thicken up my fluid paints. More of our base coat right here, the Artist Loft Black and the Modern Masters Venetian Blue. This is the DecoArt Metallic Champagne Gold, which took a little bit of water. This right here is Artist Loft Metallics in the Cobalt Blue. This is becoming one of my new faves, all-time fave paints right there. That is Golden Fluids, the Q word, Nickel Azo Gold. And I warmed it up a little bit by adding some of the Golden Fluids Burnt Sienna. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. Once again, I will post all of the paints and all of this information in the description box. This is a yummy color right here. I don't use much gold, but oh, I sure do love it with the Nickel Azo Gold and some turquoise. That's Golden Fluid Acrylics Iridescent Gold, and the PEBEO Studio Acrylics in the Iridescent Pearl Gold. This is a yummy paint, guys. A little bit bossy, but that is a very, very yummy paint. Started off with this, added a little bit of this, mixed it up until I got it to the color I was hoping for. Final color today was a bunch of different stuff to get it to the right blue-green. I started off with the Golden Fluids Turquoise, Cobalt Turquoise. You see that, guys? I added a little bit of the Golden Phthalo Green Blue shade. And then I added a little of the Vallejo what is this? Persian blue, which is also a fluid paint. So a really nice combination to come up with a very, very pretty color. It's fun mixing, guys. I love mixing colors. Let's take a look at our consistency. As Mina says, it leaves a mound on a mound on a mound. Let's look at the gold. It might be easier to see. Maybe not. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and layer my cup. I'm going to put 3 layers. I'm going to start with the black, move on to the, oh, what the heck is this? Move on to the champagne gold, onto the turquoise, onto the burnt sienna mix, onto the gold, and then onto the blue-green mix. Let me see if I can move that forward a little bit. And I'm going to layer 3 times, guys. So I'm going to put some tunes on. Let's go ahead. Let's get busy.
We kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. We can't pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding? Kidding. We can't pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden now. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm. 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 Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here. we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing